Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and today we're going to install the CGIC Storefront Entry Door. In today's video, I'm going to unpackage the product and show you some of the tools that you'll need for this install. Here are some of the tools that you'll need for this install. Starting with our 6-foot level, 25-foot tape measure, rubber mallet, cordless screw guns, both impact and standard, glass cup, laser level, screwdrivers, the appropriate sealant, and razor knife. Here are the 2 slabs and pre-assembled mainframe. The configuration is an active right. I'm going to unpackage the slabs. Wrapped up with our slabs was our push bars and the boxes with the handles and key. To recap, I've now unpackaged the product and showed you some of the tools that you'll need for this install.